Okay, hello. So let's see what we've got from GearBest today. It's this new light, that's a JETBEAM light, which is the E10R light. So that's XPL height LED from Cree. It's rated 650 lumen, and it has the function of micro USB charge. So that's good point. Also a good point is this light use two types of battery. You can put the standard AA battery, but you won't get all this 650 lumen, and if you want the full power you need to use this small lithium-ion battery, which is 14500 type battery, so quite similar size to the AA, but it has a higher voltage from lithium-ion, so that's 3.7. This one is 1.5 volts. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. So, inside the box, you've got the manual. So it states with AA battery you've got until 200 lumen and 650 lumen with the lithium-ion type battery. Okay, so you've got the lanyard. Seems good quality lanyard, by the way. You've got a small micro USB cable for charging, and small spare parts. There's two O-ring for replacement. Okay, let's see the size of the lamp. Okay, first of all, it seems that machining is very good. Anodizing also is very good. There is no scratch, nothing, and the size of the light is very perfect for hand use, you know. Here I've got the Nightcore Concept 1. Okay, it's much bigger. Nothing to do with the output. This one got quasi 2000 lumen. So you can't compare those two lights, but I mean, when you've got this one in hand, or the Astrolux S42, it's much bigger. If you want to EDC this light, this one should be perfect. It light very, that's, I mean, there's no weight, like there's nothing. You have to add the weight of the battery, but I mean, it's very small. Button is very handy. I hope there is a lockout function, which like a lot with this Nightcore product. I mean, when you EDC light, lockout function is very useful. You have not to burn your pocket inside with the light. I can remark that the LED is the dome. Should be for more through to the LED. Okay, let's see how it performs. When you open the light, there is a typical O-ring inside. There is a small clip here, and if you put the battery inside, okay, it fits perfectly. There is no space. Let's see how it does with the lithium battery. There is grease on the fillet, and this is a square fillet, so very good machining. And here's the typical spring design, triangular spring design. Okay, let's see how it does perform. Let's see. Okay, so you have to click 1 and you can cycle here at state from high to middle to low. Height, middle, low. Yes, that's perfect. I love when you start in height mode and you then cycle through to the lowest mode. I think that's better. There is also the possibility to get the strobe mode. And let's see, I will turn off if I double click. Yes, and you directly have strobe mode. Very handy. And when you just click, you go back to the cycle. Is there any lockout function? Let's see. Power on, strobe mode, mode charging as memory function, storage. No, don't think there is any lockout function. Why? No, don't state. Let's try to press long press. Ah yes, if you actually long press, light does not start. You should actually have to long press again. Yes. Ah yeah, very cool. Okay, so this light got the lockout function. Let's try again. Turn off light, turn on, turn off. When it's off, I long press. Up, I've got 2 blink, and now I can't turn on the light. Yeah, that's very useful. I love it. Yeah, good, very good. Okay, let's see the micro USB port. So you have to unscrew the upper part of the light. Okay, so you have the driver here, the upper spring, and let's see here. Okay, you have the micro USB port here, so you can charge it directly. Let's see if there is LED. Yes, so you've got a red LED here to state the level of the battery. That's a good point. I have to say that I also test with AA chip battery, and it doesn't charge well the AA rechargeable battery. So better use the lithium-ion battery inside to get the whole output lumen and also the ability to charge with the built-in micro USB port. Okay, anyway, that's great EDC light. I think I will use it a lot as it's a very small light, and that's very good to carry every day, this type of light. Okay, I hope this review was good for you. Don't hesitate to leave some comment, and thanks GearBest for such great deals. See you.